In this video, we test RFID reading performance for an employee tracking project. The hardware used in this test consists of a Zebra FX9600 4-port RFID reader and 2-unit of Zebra and 440 RFID antenna. In this scenario, the RFID tag is sewn into the back neckline of the smock. The testing was conducted under several simulated operating conditions to evaluate RFID reading performance. Scenario 1, single-person normal walking. In this scenario, one employee wearing a smock with an RFID tag sewn into the back neckline walked through the RFID reading zone at a normal walking speed. The employee completed a total of 5 round trips, passing through and returning through the detection area each time. Based on the test results, the RFID antenna successfully detected the tag during all 5 trips, demonstrating reliable reading performance under normal walking conditions. Scenario 2, multiple employees normal walking. In this scenario, 3 employees wearing RFID tagged smocks walked through the RFID reading zone simultaneously at a normal walking speed. The employees completed a total of 5 round trips through the detection area to simulate a typical workplace environment with multiple personnel movements. Based on the test results, both antennas successfully captured the RFID tags throughout all 5 round trips, demonstrating reliable tag detection and consistent reading performance in a multi-person tracking scenario. Scenario 3, single employee walking at fast speed. The results show that both antennas successfully captured the RFID tag, demonstrating reliable reading performance even under faster movement conditions. Scenario 4, group walking of 3 employees at normal speed. In this scenario, 3 employees walked through the RFID reading zone together at a normal walking speed. The results showed 1 missed tag read. This was likely caused by body shielding, where the RFID tag was partially blocked. This demonstrates a common RFID challenge when multiple people pass through the detection area in close proximity.